Yes, it is true. You don't need anything to record the first few videos for your YouTube channel. No fancy equipment, no professional camera, no noise cancellation mic, no background setup, no ring lights, nothing. I was in your position months before and I followed the same technique to record my first video, which has generated over 13,000 views in total, which is pretty good considering it as a first video. And I did it just by using a laptop, headphone and a software. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of how to do it. So make sure you watch this video till the very end and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video because that will motivate me to make more videos like this. So come, let's jump right into the video. Step number 1 is to select a topic for your video. In case if you are willing to do entertainment or vlogging videos, it doesn't really matter. But if you want to grow your personal brand or want to provide value to your viewers, you need to select a topic for your video. Niche really doesn't matter when you're just getting started, but select a random topic for your video that will provide value to your viewers. In my case, I chose to review my own college as a topic for my first video. Step number 2 is to create a PPT presentation on your topic. You can use PowerPoint or Google Slides to create a presentation. The point in creating presentation is that when you're just getting started, it will be difficult for you to memorize and retain content. So when you have a presentation in front of you, it will be easy for you to deliver your content properly without forgetting any important topics. Try to keep the presentation as short as possible. Don't include too much of content into it and just have the key points so that you can explain the content on the video by yourself. Step number 3 is to download the OBS Studio software. So this software will allow you to record your video, audio and your computer screen, all the three at the same time, and will generate it as a video file and will be stored in your computer. So now I will walk you through the process on how to download the OBS Studio software.
So firstly go to your browser, I use Google, then search OBS Studio. Click on the first website link and then click on the options accordingly, whether you use Windows, Mac OS or Linux. I already have OBS Studio downloaded in my laptop, so I'm not going to download it again. You can just click download and then follow their instruction, and it is very simple to download and run the software.
Step number 4 is to set up the OBS Studio software for recording.
So this is how it looks when you first open your OBS Studio software. Just click on this plus icon and just click video capture device and then choose your camera. In case if you have a webcam, you can choose your webcam and click OK. Now you will be able to record your video. Keep this at a corner of your screen so that you will have your presentation here and your video will be recorded at the side. Screen capture device is already present. In case if you don't have this, again click this plus icon and just click screen capture here and you will be able to screen record your laptop, and this is what it takes to set up your OBS Studio. And then click stop recording and this will stop your recording.
Step number 5 is to start recording. Just click the start recording option on your OBS Studio and enter into the slideshow view on your presentation and start explaining your content. It doesn't really matter if you make mistakes during explaining because you can edit them later, but try to cover all the content in detail, covering all the subtopics and titles. After you finish completing your presentation, just go to OBS Studio and click stop recording option. Now this file will be stored as a video file on your computer. Step number 6 is to edit this video file. You can use any basic editing softwares like CapCut. In my case, I use iMovie since I use MacBook, and just cut all those unwanted clips like the transition between the OBS Studio and your PowerPoint. Once you complete editing, just export the file and save it on your computer. Step number 7 is to create thumbnails for your video. You can create thumbnails for your video by using Canva, which is the most recommended software for beginners. You can just choose a template and edit them accordingly to make your thumbnails. Step number 8 is to write the description for your video. You can use ChatGPT to write the descriptions for your video by giving your video title as a prompt and it will write it for you. Just copy it and paste it on your video upload page on YouTube Studio so that you need not write it on your own. So these are the 8 steps that I followed to create my first video on YouTube, and you can also use these 8 steps to create your first video. So if you find this video valuable, please don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Shakti Rajan.